Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do Gujarati Khakra. We are going to prepare the recipe with Master Cook products. You can buy them in Amazon. The link is there in the description. For the recipe we need a cup of wheat flour. To this we are going to add 2 tablespoons of gram flour, that is besan. To this add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of Kasuri Methi, half a teaspoon of Carom seeds, quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida, 1 green chilli and the required amount of salt. Give this a nice mix. To this let us add a teaspoon of oil. We are going to knead this into a soft dough by adding milk. If you don't want to use milk, you can use water. We have got a soft dough. Let us leave this for 10 to 15 minutes. Let us make small balls out of this. The balls are ready. Dust some flour and roll this as thin as possible. The rolled dough has to be thin like this. First we are going to cook this without oil. Cook both the sides until it is half cooked and then use a tissue paper or a cloth to press this and cook until it turns crispy. When this cools down, it will become even more crispy. We can also use oil for the recipe. You have to brush the oil like this. When this is half cooked, you can use a bowl like this and press. This is crispy now, we can take it out. You can serve this as it is or you can serve along with tomato sauce or salsa. This is more like a non-deep fried chips. This will taste so good. Do give a try. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.